Visiting ancient Greece felt like stepping back in time to an era that profoundly shaped Western civilization. From the moment I set foot on the land steeped in mythology and history, I was transported to a world of gods and philosophers, where each corner seemed to whisper stories of the past. The ruins of Athens, crowned by the Parthenon, offered a breathtaking glimpse into the architectural prowess of the ancient Greeks. Walking among these stone relics, I could almost hear the echoes of debates and prayers from centuries ago, resonating with the soul of a culture that celebrated intellect and spirituality. The Acropolis Museum was an immersive dive into Greece's artistic heritage. Among the marble sculptures and artifacts, the craftsmanship and attention to detail were awe-inspiring. I marveled at the intricate carvings on the friezes, which told tales of gods and mortals intertwined in the drama of life. These artifacts connected me to a world where art was not just an expression but also a medium of storytelling and reverence. Holding replicas of ancient coins and pottery felt like holding a fragment of history, tangible and timeless. Delphi, known as the center of the ancient world, was another highlight of my journey. The mystical atmosphere of the oracle's sanctuary was unlike anything I'd ever experienced. Surrounded by majestic mountains and ancient ruins, I imagined pilgrims traveling across great distances to seek guidance from the oracle of Apollo. The energy of the site, coupled with its serene beauty, made me feel deeply connected to a time when spirituality and nature were harmoniously intertwined. No visit to ancient Greece would be complete without indulging in its legendary mythology. Exploring sites like Olympia and Mycenae brought to life the epic tales of gods, heroes, and battles I had read about as a child. Standing in the ancient Olympic Stadium, I felt the spirit of competition that united the city-states in celebration of physical excellence. Meanwhile, the tombs of Mycenae whispered the legends of Agamemnon and the Trojan War, giving a tangible face to the stories passed down through generations. As my journey through ancient Greece concluded, I carried with me a profound respect for the legacy of this remarkable civilization. The ancient Greeks laid the foundations of democracy, philosophy, and art, which continue to influence our modern world. My experience was not just a voyage into the past but a reminder of the timeless pursuit of knowledge, beauty, and harmony. Ancient Greece had left an indelible mark on my heart, and its echoes will resonate within me forever.